Hi, my name is Cindy, aka Z9 Designs. This is a Wrap It Up collaboration with Crafting with Julia and Crafted by Corie. Now, Julia makes a lot of gingerbread men and lots of gnomes. In fact, I even saw where she had made some shoes for the little gnomes. So it's a channel worth checking out. Corie makes a lot of seasonal decorations, Christmas, fall. She's even started on New Year's already. Also, she does a lot of dupes and tiered trays. So if you don't follow them, you're going to miss it. So let's get on with our first Wrap It Up session. The first present that I will wrap includes some brown craft paper and some green wrapping paper, double-sided tape, an old envelope, jute, pine cones, and red bells. Now first I made the envelope by tracing around a used one. And then after that I made a card to put inside and I sealed it with hot glue. Now this was very interesting. I thought that maybe I would try some hot glue, and then the end of my bottle of fingernail polish had a little pattern on it, so I thought I would seal it with the fingernail polish bottle. I wrapped the gift with the handmade paper, and I had this from some time ago and I never used it, so I thought this would be a good time, and it fit the box without any problems. And I wrapped the box with some jute because, sometimes people have jute on hand, but they may not have some pretty ribbon. I wrapped the jute around and tied it into a bow, and then I just hot glued some pine cones and some bells to the ends of the jute. I used the double-sided tape to adhere the envelope to the box. And look how special this is. I wonder who will get this gift. Next, I like to make gifts for kids special. Also to let them know I care, especially during this time of year. It has been very taxing on their mental health. I think it's very special to do something for them. Supplies you need for this are some brown wrapping paper, some pom-poms, some black, green, red, blue, and lavender pens, some jute, and some double-sided tape. So first I chose to wrap the gift first and then put them on, then decorate it so that I could get the items spaced evenly. So I started with the antlers. After I drew the antlers, I drew a circle and colored the circle in. I put the eyes in, just 2 dots for the eyes. You can make them up and down, or you can make them circular. And then I hot glued a red nose to each one of the reindeer, indicating that these were all Rudolph the Red-Nosed Reindeer. I tied it with some jute, and then I made a tag with one reindeer on it. And I think it looks so cute, and I'm sure the person who's going to receive this is going to really think that it is so cute. Now for the next gift, I wanted it to be a little bit more modern. So the supplies that you need for the next one include black wrapping paper, red ribbon, a snowflake brooch, joy dies, and some gold paper for the words. So you can wrap the gift in just an ordinary way. Just make sure that it is nice and neat. I have fallen in love with the double-sided tape because I found that it is so easy and you don't have all the tape on the outside. Once gift was wrapped, I tied a red velvet ribbon around the package, and I only did one ribbon around, sort of like a belly band. And then I took the snowflake brooch and pinned it onto the ribbon so it looks like that you hot glued it or something on, but it's actually pinned on and it's actually a gift also. It is very simple but elegant, and I put it right under the tree until I deliver it with the other gifts. The last gift was wrapped with white paper, and I made one deep pleat. It was just deep enough to function as a pocket and to put greenery in the pocket, and then I put a wooden reindeer with a glam bling at the end of the nose. And then instead of a tag, I put the person's initial on the package. There are so many other ideas that I had, but I didn't have time to do them all. But I think I did pretty good. And I will show some of the other things I wrapped in reels so you can get some more ideas. So folks, it is a wrap. And so if you like this video, please subscribe, like, comment, and save. And be sure to wake up with a smile every day, because it does the body good. And have a Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year. And we'll see you next time. Bye-bye.